Today we talk about how can you find your favorite posts on your CiCi app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you click here on favorite down above here, click on it. When you click here on favorites, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here you will find all favorite posts you have. Like you see, I have here nothing yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your CC app. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.